Right, we're looking at best buys. When it comes to comparing things, you can only really compare things if they are the same. If you were to buy a tin of Diet Coke in one shop for 56p and in another shop for 60p, you'd buy it. You'd always go for the cheapest option. Looking at some of the questions here, if I do a couple from each one. What's the best deal if I would buy one item for £8 or three items for £20? Well, I could either buy three of the first one, and if I buy three of the first offer, I get three for 24, three for 20. I don't know about you, but I'd rather buy three items for £20 than 24. For 1E, 6 for 96 or 12 for 180. 6 and 12. Well, I could either double this one and get 12 for 192, or half this one and get 6 for 90. And the idea is the second one again works out to be the best buy. You can't just say this one or this one without comparing and proving. If I look at 2A, 2 items for 48p or 3 items for 75, the numbers here aren't as good. So what you could do is, the question I always ask myself is, how much would 1 be? If I half that, I could buy 1 for 24. If I divide this one by 3, I could buy 1 for 25. 1 for 24, 1 for 25. This is the best deal. I could also have bought 3 packs of this and got 6, and 2 packs of this to get 6. 144, 150, still the best buy. Does it matter which one I compare? No, as long as I compare. 2F, 400 grams for 152p or 500 grams for 186. I could find out how much 1 gram is, but 100 grams is a nice round number, so if I divide the first one by 4, I can get 100 grams for 38p. The second lot by 5, I can get 100 grams for 36p. 38p, 36p, this is the best deal. I could also multiply it out until I'd bought 2,000 grams of each. Same answer. Next one, if I'm looking at 250 for 125 or 400 for 208, again, not as easy to break it down. I could have calculated 1, but I know that 50 goes into both. So if I divide this pair of numbers by 5, I could buy 50 for 25b. If I divide this pair by 8, I could buy 50 for 26b. So the first one is the best option. Looking at the first apply question, there are 3 taxis. You can do £15 for 5 miles, £13 for 4 miles, and £28 for 10 miles. So which is the best deal? Well, the idea is I need to work out the cost per mile. So if I divide the cost per mile, 15 divided by 5 is £3 per mile, 13 divided by 4 is £3.25 per mile, 28 divided by 10 is £2.80 per mile. So this is the best option, but the question asks us to put them in order. Best, second best, poorest option. Thanks.